Hello, it's Wesley. Today's idiom of the day is trailblazer, and it is one of my favourites because of its origins. I love American idioms, even though I'm British. So, a trailblazer is the first to do something. So, where does it come from? If you think about early American settlers, traveling through the forests, chopping down pieces of branches and trees, leaving a trail for others to follow. Or even more exciting is the thought of cowboys riding horses, blazing a trail literally through canyons so that their families and friends could follow later on. So, are you a trailblazer? Were you the first to do something? If you were, share it with us in the chat.